I'm blackening Mohan's face. I hate him.
Gungun, did you read? Have you understood? I told you, that girl is in love with Mohan Love.
I will break your leg if you move it again. Mind it. I will do it. Wanna move it?
Enough, Tulsi! Why don't you let us live peacefully? Just leave me and my family alone, alright? Even after your death, you are still following my son Mohan. Just go away from here.
It is only Mohan's promise that has bound me. Else you wouldn't have been able to stop me today. You saved her today. Else I would have surely killed her for thinking wrong about my daughter. Come on, let's go from here. It was good that you saved me, Kaddu. Otherwise, she would have... Otherwise, today I would have been no more.
Please calm down, sister. Calm down. The danger has increased. Tulsi is inside the house now. I think we should tell Mohan about this.
No, Mom. It's not the time to talk about the past. Mohan has agreed to marry me after many difficulties. We cannot do anything that can change his mind.
Dear Damini, why don't you try to understand? Mohan is going to face the biggest problem.
Mom, there is a solution to the problem. Mohan's old relationships can't harm his present relationship. I have been defeated by Tulsi once. I can't let Tulsi come between Mohan and me again. No matter how tough it is, I will win the battle this time.
What was going on here? And what was Mohan doing here?
Nothing, Grandma. Mohan was applying medicine on my leg.
When you reach home, I will surely give you a beating. You came here without informing us. And now you're doing this.
Why? What happened now? Outside in front of everyone, you were shouting love on me, saying that I'm your daughter. What happened to you now?
It was necessary then. But right now I need to scold you. Let's go home. Where is your luggage?
Mohan has told me to stay. I won't go anywhere. I will stay here till his marriage.
He won't get married if you stay here till his wedding day. And Mohan will not get remarried. Everyone will know what you feel about him.
What do you feel, Grandma? Mohan is akin to Lord Krishna for me. I'm devoted to him. I just want his happiness.
At your age, the world calls your happiness something else. You are not devoted to him. You love him.
Oh, my Grandma! Don't say that. I'm sorry, Lord Krishna. How can you say that, Grandma? Forgive me, Lord Krishna. Please, I'm sorry.
Only you know about your feelings, Radha. The world will consider your devotion as love. If people get to know that a young girl from Barsana has come to Vrindavan for Mohan, then what will happen? Have you ever wondered what they will think? What has happened? Kadambari! Damini! Kadambari! Kadambari! Listen, everyone! Please listen! Come here! Listen! It's very unfortunate.
Sister, just a minute. What has happened? Why are you shouting?
You were thinking I'm foolish. None of you ever believed what I said. But I was telling the truth. This girl is not as innocent as she shows.
Mom, you have started again?
Not started. Today I am going to end everything at once. This girl...
Before saying anything, don't forget that she is the daughter of my good friend Rameshwar.
Then you should be knowing that your good friend's daughter hasn't come here for Mohan's marriage. She has come here for Mohan. This girl is in love with Mohan. Love! If you all are not believing me, then ask her. Come on, ask. Ask.
What are you saying? You made a mistake. Instead of naming me as Rahul, you could have named me Kanha, Krishna, or something like Kanhaiya. Then girls would have flocked around me too. You should look at your beloved son Mohan. First he had Tulsi, then he had Damini, and now he has Radha. He is very lucky. The list doesn't end.
Radha, is it true? Is it true? Did you come here for me? Do you love me, Radha?
Yes. Radha has come here for Mohan. And not just Radha. All of us have come here for Mohan. What? Have the grandmother and granddaughter gone crazy? Are both eyeing the same man? At least consider your own
Sister.
age.
Sister, what are you saying?
She's telling the truth. This is Vrindavan, the city of Lord Bake Bihari. Whoever comes here comes only to pray to him. We are also here to visit him. What? You may call him Lord Bake Bihari, Lord Krishna, or Lord Mohan. It's the same thing. Kaveri, tell me something. What is it? What did you hear from my granddaughter and me? Did Radha say that she loved Mohan? Tell me.
Sister,
No. You should have thought twice before accusing this girl of something like that. Let me make things crystal clear. Radha, tell me, do you love Mohan?
No.
Heard that? Don't forget she's a girl. Such an accusation can ruin her whole life. Enough. We have been insulted a lot. Now we won't stay here even for a moment. We will leave for Barsana right away. Let's go, Radha.
1 minute, Grandma. Aunt, apologize to them. Apologize.
You are saying I'll apologize. That I think there was some mistake in my hearing. Please forgive me. Okay?
Please apologize to the person whom you accused. Apologize to Radha.
My child, this widow made a mistake. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. If you say I will fall at your feet.
Please, Aunt. Please don't make me commit a sin. Don't say that. And I won't leave the house over such a small thing.
Huh?
Right, Grandma? And I came here to witness Mohan's wedding. I will leave after his wedding.
But Radha,
Grandma, we are extremely sorry. If you leave with Radha right now, then I will feel that you have left because you were upset with us. She's a child. Let her stay until the wedding concludes.
All right, today's drama has come to an end. Radhe Radhe, Radhe Radhe.
You saw that? That grandmother and granddaughter so shrewd. They gave a spin to the whole thing. I am telling you that.
You won't say anything. We got humiliated outside. And just because of you, I felt so much embarrassed. So much has happened. Don't you get it, Mom?
Sit down. That girl is eyeing up on your Mohan. Can't you even see that?
No. You can't see the truth. Radha and Mohan are poles apart. He's an educated man from a city. And she is an illiterate. Have you ever noticed how she talks and what kind of clothes she wears? They have no similarity.
But you...
In fact, my Mohan will never be interested in her at all. Do you get it?
But she left. What about the fact that she keeps eyeing on Mohan? What about that? Mohan might not be interested in her today. But what if he becomes hers tomorrow? That time what will you do, foolish? Bless us, Lord Rama.
Grandma, walk slowly, Grandma. I cannot walk so quickly.
just quietly come with me.
It was a lie. Why did you lie, Grandma? You should have told them the truth.
The truth that you are here for Mohan.
What else?
Lord Bake Bihari, this girl has lost her mind. Had the family come to know that you were here for Mohan, they would have thought that you loved him.
Enough, Grandma. Why are you going on and on about love? He will be married soon. He's a father. And he's much older than me. I respect him, Grandma. Why are you calling my respect for him love? Mohan is like Lord Krishna to me. Neither less nor more. God helps his devotee during testing times, right? Just like that. That Bhagavad Gita that he gave me helped me after mom died. It gave me all the strength. Dad became lonely after mom died, you know that. And you took care of him. But grandma, it was Mohan who wiped away Radha's tears. He had also lost his mom. Maybe that is why he understood my pain. And grandma, the relationships of bad times are deeper than those of good times. Maybe that is why, while everyone sees the smile on his face, I can see the sadness behind his smiling face. So one thing you have to understand, that I owe him, grandma. I am here to repay his favor. And grandma, the way Kevat helped Lord Rama cross the Ganga, I have also got a chance to do something for Mohan. And if this devotee cannot be of any use of her God, then this life is a waste.
The world won't understand your complicated views. Even Mohan will not understand.
Do you want me to lie, grandma?
Listen, Radha.
Hey
I want
Krishna
to.
Govinda Hari Murari Nath Narayana.
You have to swear by me that you will not let anyone know that you have come here for Mohan.
Grandma!
Promise me that you will not tell anyone about your feelings. Otherwise, you will see me dead.
Hey grandma, don't say such things. I won't tell anyone.
Lord Baki Bihari, my child is innocent. I'm keeping her here with you. She doesn't know that the feeling she has for Mohan is actually love. Just like the tongue that's between 32 teeth, she will have to stay here. Hey Lord, just like you saved Draupadi in Mahabharata, take care of my half-brained Radha too.
Too much worry leads to burden, grandma. So don't worry. I will take care of myself as well as Mohan and his entire family.
Hey, listen, Radha. Take good care of yourself. You know what, Mr. Vishwanath? We have not lived without Radha for even a single day. I had thought that I would cry like this when she gets married. Little did I know it would happen so soon.
No one knows what Lord Krishna wants. Remember, Radha, the advice that I gave you.
Let's go, Mom. Come.
What will I do in the office, Mom? You two can take care of it.
Mohan, recycling the papers was your idea. This initiative has received a nice response. There is a pile of used books and papers outside our house. And this is a big step by our company for public welfare. It's necessary for you to be there for our image.
You two can take care of our image for the media.
It's important, Mohan. You have been the one who has done everything so far.
Mom,
Please?
okay. How long will it take?
2 hours?
Okay, done.
Thank you.
Are you two ready? Okay, I will get ready.
Good morning,
Good
Mohan.
morning, good morning.
Mom, can I accompany you? This is my business as well.
You just want to benefit from the business. You don't want to work hard. That's why you should not go to a place where you are not required. I'll be right back.
Do you know the difference between you and Mohan? He does all the hard work and you just want to have benefit from it.
It's all about faith. You have faith in it. But I don't.
My life is for you, Bake Bihari. And Mohan has kept you out of his life. The person who doesn't have faith in you will not have happiness. That is the reason I have to make Mohan have faith in you. I have to make him believe in you. Mohan will meet Mohan. And Bake Bihari, you have to help your Radha in this. This knot will remind me that I have to make Mohan have faith in you again. And this knot will remind me that I have to get the love back in Mohan and Gungun's relationship. And this will remind me that before leaving this house, I have to make sure that peace and happiness stay here forever. You must be hungry. I will get something for you to eat. Okay? Just wait.
Whole night I kept changing shoulders and couldn't sleep. That girl is just 2 feet tall, but her grandmother's tongue is 4 feet tall. She made me apologize. I won't give up. I won't leave her. I will teach her a lesson. Just wait and see. Where did this 2 feet girl go? So what if Lord Krishna can't come with me? You can come with me, right? I will cover you in a better velvet cloth than this. Radha, now you will learn a lesson.
Sister,
Yes?
what were you doing in Radha's room?
Dad, I was looking for Dulari. I wanted to tell her what to cook for dinner. I will go and look for Dulari. Dulari! 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 Dulari!
Okay, eat this quickly. I wish Grandma was here. Yes, she scolds me, but teaches me many things. But I don't have to worry, as you are here with me and my Geeta. Where is my Geeta? My Geeta was here. Bake Bihari.
Where are you going, Radha?
Brother, I have lost my Gita. I can't find
You
it.
don't worry. I'll ask everyone to look out for it. But I will surely find it for you. If I don't find it, who else will find it for you?
My beloved. What is this? Can't you be careful?
Dulari, did you see my Gita? Please tell me.
Now, who is Geeta? Did you call someone else from your village?
My Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita? Oh, you are ruining the car! Walk properly!
Bake Bihari, where is my Gita?
Oh, madam! Where are you roaming around? Have you planned to steal something?
Will I steal? My Gita has got stolen.
So, buy another one.
No. I want my Gita. It always guides me. I can't find it. Where is it?
Do you know who has been guiding me all way long? GPS.
Gungun, tell me the truth. Did you do this to get rid of me? I will do whatever you say. Ask me to squat if you want. I will do that. And if you don't get satisfied, you can cut my hair. You can cut my hair.
Chill, bro. I don't play such foolish pranks. I don't have your book.
She's following me. If she sees the Gita, then I don't know about Radha, but Kaddu will surely throw me out of the house.
What are you doing?
I came here to enjoy breeze, to take some sunlight. And vitamin D is also essential, right?
It costs just 150 rupees in a bottle, and that too more than
Huh?
this. Have that instead.
If you are saying so, then I will have it. Huh?
Damini, I am waiting beside the car. Where are you? Huh?
Sister? What are you doing here?
I came here to enjoy the breeze. Hey, Kaddu! I mean, Kadambari. Just see what a beautiful weather, isn't it? The breeze is so nice. You know, my husband liked this kind of weather so much. Today I'm missing him so much.
Where is the breeze in such hot weather? You are sweating over here?
Yeah.
Yes. Sister, please go inside. If you get tanned over here, then your husband's spirit won't even recognize you. Come. Come
But,
inside. Come.
Mohan, my Gita.
Hey, you started again. I don't want your Gita. Now, don't talk about Gita again.
Should we leave?
Let's go.
Send this scrap to the office quickly.
Hey, Bake Bihari, I'm telling you that if you don't return my Gita to me, then I will stop talking to you.
Just like a fish without water. Radha cannot live without Gita. Now you will suffer. You wanted me to apologize. Now your Gita is gone.
Banke Bihari, just listen to me carefully. I love my Bhagavad Gita just like I love you. Please try to understand. If you don't return my Bhagavad Gita, I will not talk to you. I won't talk to you. I will be upset with you.
Madam, just look.
What happened to her?
The poor girl has lost her Gita.
And listen to one more thing. Till the time you return my Gita, I won't eat anything or drink anything, okay? I will chant your name here standing on one leg.
Hey Radha, listen, don't do like that. Your leg is so badly hurt. The doctor said that there should not be any strain on your legs. Your condition might worsen.
Don't worry, brother. He should also know how much I love my Gita.
Dear, if anything happens to you, what answer will I give to your father?
Don't worry, uncle. He can't see me worried. He will himself bring my Gita back to me. Hey Lord Krishna.
Radha,
Hey Lord Krishna.
stop being so stubborn. You will get your Gita back, don't worry.
Hey Lord Krishna.
Good. Now her one leg is not functioning, then both will not function.
Listen, Ajit, I have an online meeting. I will go and attend the meeting. You just take care of her.
Okay, mom, please. You may please go.
Hey Lord Krishna.
What kind of drama is this?
This is not drama. This is pretense. I must say, since she has arrived, we are getting a good dose of entertainment.
Hey Lord Krishna. Hey Lord Krishna.
It's good, Damini. The business is running well. You and mom are doing a good job.
Mohan, we are just walking the path that a time ago you showed to us. The entire business is your brainchild, Mohan. Finish reading the paper and start with the printing, okay? We have an important order to dispatch.
Okay.
Hey Lord Krishna.
So the information was right. Mr. Mohan has come to the office.
Is it only for today or you have joined permanently?
Is it a result of Miss Damini's efforts that you are back to work? Or is it because your wedding day is approaching? Is that the reason you are working together?
You are very lucky, Mr. Mohan. You have got a partner like Miss Damini. Business and life partner both.
Actually, I am lucky.
DC News. I think they are new to Mathura.
This girl has been standing here for 3 hours now.
Hey Lord Krishna. Hey Lord Krishna.
Dulari, just give her some water.
Radha,
Hey Lord Krishna.
just drink some water and continue chanting. Banke Bihari won't be upset.
Yes.
Hey Lord Krishna.
If this girl doesn't stop, we will have to talk to Rameshwar about this. He will be also worried about this.
Hey Lord Krishna. Hey Lord Krishna.
Damini, keep me away from these journalists. You very well know that I don't like it.
I know, Mohan, but today they came here for us.
Why?
We need them for our company. They have been waiting for your interview since morning, Mohan.
I don't want.
I
Miss
know,
Damini.
but
We were waiting for you since morning.
Oh yeah, he has been waiting since morning. Who does that? You do one thing, you go back home. Okay?
Mohan, I'm really sorry. I understand that you have been waiting for so long, but Mohan and I have to go back home right now. Our family is the most important to us. We can do one thing. You may come to our house for the interview, and you all may have dinner with us.
Thank you so much. I'll go and inform my team.
Yes, please do come. I will make you sit on my lap for the interview.
Mohan,
What is the need to call them to our house?
I know that you are upset, but what else could I have done? Things were getting worse, and we cannot afford bad publicity right now, Mohan. Try to
Whatever.
understand. Mohan,
Did we do it right, Miss Damini?
well done, Rakesh. All your articles have proved to be useful to me. In fact, I will give you an exclusive interview in which Mohan and my wedding date will be announced.
What? Is the date fixed?
Well, it's not fixed yet, but it will be soon.
Thank you.
And for once, if Mohan commits before the media, then he won't change his mind. Shred the books that have come from the house in boxes and just start the printing. Okay, you get it?
Now let me see how she does not put her foot down.
Gungun, what's going on?
Helping Radha.
Hey Lord Krishna.
This is the only way to move her.
Just wait. Your intentions are good, dear. But your approach is absolutely wrong. This way you are insulting her worship. And then Lord Krishna will be upset with you. Don't be naughty.
Now we must find the Gita. Otherwise, this Radha will end up in the hospital.
Hey Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna, please give her strength.
I'll bring her some juice. She might stop this.
Oh dear Krishna. Whatever is this, I'm not at fault. Whatever is happening, Radha herself is doing. Do not curse me for all her faults.
I have never got to do such great target practice. This is great.
Stop it, Gungun.
Oh my gosh. Is that you? Sorry, my gosh. I will not do it, promise.
Mom, you told me 2 hours, but my entire day got wasted.
Once upon a time, I used to pull you out of the office.
And now you can't even stay there for some time?
Here, that girl Radha also has.
What happened? Is everything okay?
Actually, Radha has lost her Gita. And she has taken an oath that
You had enough drama regarding your Gita. I will end this now.
Lord Krishna is my savior. Lord Krishna is my savior.
she has been standing on one leg for 7 hours. She is drenched in sweat.
Lord Krishna is my savior. He won't be able to see me in pain. He might walk here to give my Gita to me.
She passed away, but she left behind our sweet Mohan to suffer forever.
It's about time. Time to face the truth.
Once the circle is made, then Tulsi's memories herself will draw her inside the circle.
I said clear my way.
Mohan, please don't do it.